Hi, in this video we will be discussing about Chinese are going to make a huge disaster, whether it is a natural or made man-made disaster. And welcome to our channel, Independent CJ. Chinese government are making a number one position to make, but it is not a problem. But they are deciding to become a all-in-one. It is a problem because it is selfishness, so that it make many disaster. First, I want to say about a dam built in the China, and then due to this, the fishery is banned in the China. So that and we will go to the topic. In China, there are 87 dams are built. 87,000 dams are built because they empire. The one of empire is Shan Shun, with he is empire of China, who said that war of he written a book of war about a war, uh, and he mentioned similarity to the dam, so that Chinese government has decided to build many dams because he is created as a god in the China. In 1919, dam is built near to the Wuhan, which is we considered as it is a COVID-19 birth. I'm not sure about this, and near there is a Zagan River, which is the third longest river in the world. So that the government of China is deciding to build the dam, and then in 1987 they started building the dam, and then 2006 they finished the work, and then 2012 it is come to the public use. You want to know the budget? The budget is $8 billion, but the expenses of the real value is $37 billion. It is near to 2.75 lakhs crores in the rupees in the India. It is in a thousand years. It is the biggest investment in the world. It is named as the dam is named as Three Gorges Dam, which is of 2 kilometers long and then 160-meter tall from the sea level, which can affect six area of 600 to 6,600 kilometer area will be affected due to this dam. It is a serious effect to the Chinese people. It is affect environmental issues also, and 80% of soil erosion will be happened in the dam, and then land get destroyed, and then soil will be deposited on the dam, and then leads to many earthquakes, and many disaster will be happen due to this dam. Due to the before 5 days they considered 5 meter of the dam is changed into red light area. The experts are saying that every 10 years disaster is happening in the Chinese country due to this. And then the first fact going to fact of this the dam. The first fact is they used 4,37,36,000 metric tons to design this iron to design to this dam, which is equal to the making 63 Eiffel Tower to make. And then the contract, it is major role playing. If we use the contract to accept this country, we can make a house to many countries. And then they are due to this dam construction, the 13 lakhs people is resettled to other areas. The experts are saying that it is a archaeological area, and then the World Bank is not ready to give because it is having a huge respect to the world, so that it is not, the World Bank is not ready to give money, so that Chinese government is take this opportunity and then build the dam. And then prediction is, and then the experts are saying that if the dam is broken, the 4 crores to 50 crores, the people will be vanished due to this dam. And then we will come to the fishery problem. The due to this dam, the the Chinese government is banned the fisheries, and then the boat is uh, banned in the country. And then fish is not able to cultivate because his fishes is destroyed, because the dam is built near the river and sea. If the river and sea is mixing, it will be increase the fish uh, uh, resources. But they built a dam so that fish is reduced and then destroyed. Because of reason is soil erosion and the soil deposition. We are already discussed. The naturalist is saying that if we suggestion to the government that in 1987 we government should build a dam a small pieces, which is 3 times the current built now. But the ruling is communist, so that it is not neglected by the communist people in the China people. Due to this Chinese act, so that 33 rivers are laid to the alert, and then 2000 28,000 people will be destroyed, vanished due to this effect. And then considered 3 in family, it is making a 1 crore, more than 1 crore is in the family vanishing. More than 1 lakh boats is banned, and then 3.7 people were suffering from this dam fishing, without fishing. Thank you.